this is Pamela, and you're on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. I'd like to say welcome to my channel. And if you're new to my channel is mostly all about crochet. Well, today's video is WIP Caddy Wednesday, and that means works in progress in your 3-tier cart. And if you don't have a 3-tier cart, it's your works in progress wherever you have your progress. It could be on a couch, on a bed, in a corner, on the, on the floor, wherever it is. But it's where I get to showcase the things that you guys are working on for all of you that submit on Facebook, and some of you send emails to me as well. And my email is in the description box below, and my Facebook group page is in the description box below too. But yeah, so today is Wednesday, and I'm just excited about today. I've already gotten up and went to the gym, and they had they've started a morning class. And so I really like that they give options for the days that I can't go. I can just do a makeup day on one of those days. Anyway, so just remember that one of the things I'd like to promote on here is staying healthy. I know crochet is a sit-down job, and you can just get caught up in working those stitches and like, I got one more row to go, I got one more row to go, I got 5 more stitches to go, 3 more stitches, 1 more stitch, stuff like that. And it's so easy to just stay seated. So I just want to keep encouraging you guys, get up, walk around. If you can't go to the gym, just walk around your house, do a little bit of, I don't know, I don't want to say housework because, we all do housework. So, but just get up and move every so often, and, instead of staying planted in the same place. That's what I try to do, because I find myself doing that as well. Once I've got my videos out, I got my tutorial or whatever it is I'm working on or doing that day, that morning or whatever, it's so easy to have the rest of the day to, sit there and crochet and not move. So yeah, I'm preaching to me as well. Anyway, so it's just keep your heart pumping, keep the blood going, and All right, guys, I'm drinking black coffee today. So just grab you a cup of coffee, grab you something to drink, sit back and relax, and let's just enjoy some good old yarny talk. Well, guys, I have been super busy, as I know almost every one of you guys have been too. So I really don't have anything that I can show you guys as far as my crochet. I went ahead and put this here so I can remind you that I will be doing a tutorial on this. And I love that little scarf. It's done with Caron Cake, and that one will be coming up. I did a stitch of the week this week, and it's called the ladder stitch, and I think it's so cool. I'm not quite sure what I want to incorporate to do with this pattern or with this stitch yet. I don't know, but I do think it's really cool, and that's why I chose this one to do. So it's a very easy stitch. In case you want to do it, I'll leave the link below to my crochet stitch of the week so that you can go check it out. But I did have fun doing that. Let's see. I did have a pattern that got accepted into Crochet World magazine. Yay! It's the fall 2024 edition, I guess. So later this I'm not sure exactly when they say fall what that means. Could be September issue, October. I'm not really sure. November. I don't know. But anyway, I got accepted in one of my patterns. Got accepted to that, and I will be showing that to you guys real soon. And my Crochet Foundry pattern, I guess some of you guys have heard that someone has bought that company. And so I can't remember what the name of that magazine is now, but it's it's a digital magazine. And I had a pattern, the Tilted Block Shawl, and some of you guys did a test for me, and I appreciate that very much. Well, that pattern is still good to go from what I understand, just with a different magazine company name. So, yeah, I just can't remember what the name is, but I will get back with you guys and keep you guys updated on that. Let's see. Oh yeah, so with that, all that being said, I am actually designing a pattern right now. And I've designed some over the weekend, but I just can't show them yet. So be sure and look forward to those. I have not had time to work on my 18-inch doll Valentine outfit that I've had drawn out that my sister Tanya designed, and I feel so bad about that. So if I don't get it out for Valentine's Day like I wanted, I may end up just doing it in the same thing, just doing it in some, you know, pastel Easter type looking colors. So we'll see. But anyway, I did want to share with this. My sister Tanya took one of my took my basket tutorial and made this little small basket right here for me to go next to my bed. And I just want to show you what I have in here. One thing, I've got the remote to the TV. I have some hand lotion. I have a flashlight. And I have a bell, so that if my husband is in the other room and I need him, I can just ring the bell for him to come get me or to come and see what I want. And ponytail holders. So that's what I have in there. Thank you so much for this basket, Tanya. I just love it. But that's it right there. This is normally not always in the basket. It kind of just sits next to it, really. But I just put it in there the other day, and it's just kind of stayed. So who knows? It may end up staying in the basket. So the other thing I have to show you guys is another basket that Tanya made me. Thank you, Tanya. And this one I have my lotions in. Isn't this beautiful? Looky. I love these colors. She did an awesome job. So, but there it is. I have a lot of hand lotion. So most of these are gifts to me. And that's what I just want to say. Thank you, Tanya. I think she did a beautiful job. She's the basket queen. She says I'm the basket queen because I did the tutorial and the PDF pattern on Etsy, but she's actually the basket making queen. I don't know how many this girl has made, but anyway, thank you so much for that, Tanya. All right, so the other thing is this yarn I got from Hobie. This is going to make, or this is going to make, yeah, come on, just make it. No, I am going to make, with this yarn, a summer top. And I'm just not quite sure. I've had several patterns from some of my stitches that I wanted to make my top in, but I've changed several times. So I have got to narrow it down, like, really quick. And so I'm going to get started on this. It's Friends Cotton Silk. I'm very excited to try this yarn right here. Isn't that cool looking? It's just beautiful. So these are going to be, I think, colors that will be at the bottom, and then the top itself is going to be this light gray. So I'm very excited to try this yarn, and so stay tuned for that. All right, so the other thing is I bought, I think it was like $7.99, and if you have Prime shipping, it was free. So that's 2024 calendar. It has the gold edges right here to prevent it from turning, you know, and stuff. It has the spiral here in gold. I think it's just beautiful. And the top, it's hardback. So, and the bottom. And it has the regular calendar. You've got like this. And then you've got the calendar the other way. Like this. So I love having that. And let's see, it has a pocket in the back right here. A little pocket. I'll leave the link to this below, guys. I mean, I love this calendar here. Not calendar, what do you call it? Planner. I just can't get enough of it. I'm like all about it. But there is, it came with a page of stickers. And as you can tell, I've already used some. And I have my obligations to Hobie in here. And I have the plans of things that I'm working on in here. So all that is in there. And let's see, there was another thing I want to show you. It's this right here. You get this in here. And I've already been using those. And it's a ruler. And this comes out. It just pops out. And it came with a bookmark. I'm not sure where the bookmark is. Maybe it's in the back. Oh, here's the bookmark. And it comes with the bookmark. So, I mean, guys, this is almost like my Bible. It's my work Bible. There you go. It's my work Bible. Okay, so I wanted to share this from Patsy. Patsy, I just love these colors. I know it's a finished project, but I just had to share this, guys. She made this using my beanie pattern, beanie hat pattern, and my color block scarf pattern, and it is just beautiful. And this one's from Susanna that she posted, and I thought this was just beautiful. She's got her little iPad up there, she's got her yarn, and she is working hard on the Crochet Flower Garden Scarf. I will leave tutorials to both of these, or all three of these items, in the description box below if you're interested. All right, so the other thing is I wanted to remind you guys that I have a giveaway going. This is what's in the giveaway for the this is for the US winner, and it does come with some light up crochet hooks with a couple extra batteries. Surprise yarn is in here, and you get 10 free patterns from my Etsy shop. And if you're a worldwide winner, you get a $25 Amazon gift card, and you get 10 free patterns from my Etsy shop as well. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and see all the beautiful, wonderful things that you guys are working on. Okay, here we have Patsy's. She says that she has one project started, and it's a corner to corner because it's the only pattern that she can think of for this yarn. The yarn is Hobby Lobby Fireside. She said her sister got a large bag full of it for her when the closeout sales were going on. This yarn is not easy to see the stitches. Oh gosh, I've been there, Patsy. I'm also not trusting of it staying tied when adding new skeins. She says she's using the magic knot and fabric glue as good measure. Wow, that should definitely work. If anyone has tips on avoiding fraying, please let me know. Update. She says she's working on the new 18-inch heart outfit from the Adoring Doll Clothes. Valentine's Day is coming, and I'm so excited that you're working on that outfit. I think you will love it, and your grandchildren will just adore it. Okay, here we have Kelly's. Kelly, this is beautiful. I'm so glad you shared this. She said, just in time for WIP Caddy Wednesday. She said she just finished the one skein baby blanket last night, and she was so excited. And she said she thought that she was going to run out of yarn because in the tutorial, she used a skein that was 875 yards, and hers was only 744 yards. But she said she was still able to finish it and still have a little ball left over. I see that little ball. Looks like she used the Red Heart Super Saver Jumbo, and the link to the pattern is in her Facebook post on Pamela's Adoring Crochet Facebook page. Okay, so now we have Melinda's, and Melinda said that she finally found Pamela's pocket shawl. She said that she put it away for the holidays and forgot where. I'm so glad you found it. She said that it needs a second pocket and that is really a great pattern. And I'm so glad you think it's a great pattern. I loved creating this, getting it all ready for you guys, and I'm so glad that you've made this or are enjoying it. So I will leave the link to this in the description box below for you guys. Okay, here we have Pam. She said that she's trying to get her 2023 temperature blanket done. It was a crochet along with Dina's Homespun Fun. And the top shelf, she's got a couple hot pads and an Afghan. She said that she hasn't been working on, and it is the Sweet Illusions tutorial from Bag O' Day. And she said there's a Valentine decoration she's going to hang on her front door. The heart itself is from Bag O' Day. She made a sloth using a tutorial from Helen May Crochet, and Evie Pokemon using a tutorial from S Crochet Designs for her friends' grandchildren. Lastly, a couple of woodland beanie paid for pattern from Crochet with Tiffany, and she hopes everyone has a good week. Well, I hope you have a great week too, Pam. So here we have Doreen's. Doreen says that the first one is a Betty Ann blanket pattern using Red Heart Super Saver Ombre in the True Blue and Jazzy. Daisy Farm Crafts has the free pattern on their website. It's really cool looking. The brown Afghan is a small piece that she's doing for the ottoman that it's on. It's all done with several big twist yarn colors and a couple of skeins of Red Heart Super Saver Latte stripes. The pattern is the wattle stitch, which I taught you guys weeks ago. That will be in my crochet stitch of the week tutorials, and I'll leave the link for that for you guys. She said that she loves these new stitches and she appreciates me teaching them. And you're very welcome. They stretch her creativity, and it's fun thinking of things to make from them. So inspiring. Thank you, and for everyone to have a blessed Wednesday. Well, you too, Doreen. Okay, here we have Teresa's. And Teresa, I just want to say you look beautiful in your new cardigan. You did a wonderful job on that. She said, please overlook the bad photos taken in her bathroom. But she said she did finish this hexagon sweater yesterday, and the pattern is by Craft and a Cupa on YouTube. She said, except for the part where she went rogue and she did her own thing on the ribbing on the bottom and around the front. Well, it just looks beautiful. Thank you for sharing with us, Teresa. So here we have Suzanne's. She says that she's got the hexagon cashmere party sewn together and she's working on the cuffs. She's using, she said what it says, a 5-weight velvet, real soft, but it's thin, more like a 4-weight, and she's having trouble with the ribbing because it's black, so she don't know if she should just do single crochet and make the cuff just like that or continue trying to make the rib cuff. But anyway, she's making a second attempt on the gram red blanket. This time she's using 3 together, a stitch Bag-O-Day crochet tutorial, and she's still working on Annie's, and on the top shelf the yarn is going to be her corner to corner blanket. There's 3,000 yards and it's a category 3. Still working on that blue bedspread, maybe a tablecloth. She said that's all she has going on at this time, wishing everyone a great week. And wow, Suzanne, you got a lot going on there, girl. Your space looks a lot like mine, never ending. So here we have Catherine. She says that her WIP Caddy is full. The bottom shelf is a corner-to-corner blanket pattern from Pamela's YouTube tutorial made with Hobby Lobbies. I love this yarn. I'm so glad you're making that. She says she does love that yarn. A pair of knit socks by Christy Archer Designs and Patton's Croy. Middle shelf is a knitted Ganzi Afghan by Lena Skarvinsing Designs. Pattern, I don't even know how to pronounce that, guys. But it's on the Facebook group page, and you can see it. It's Skvagerson Designs. The pattern is from Annie's. Yarn is Caron Lava Cake. Also, she's almost finished the City Lights cardigan, just needs the ends tucked in and considering adding buttons. Pattern is by Her Stitches, and yarn is Line Brand Fisherman's Wool and Knit Picks. Top shelf is going to be a crochet chicken pattern by Crochetery on Etsy. Yarn is Line Brand's Fisherman Wool and all of her tools. She says, I love my cart. Best purchase ever. Thank you, Pamela. All right, guys. They were just beautiful. I love them. Thank you, guys, for posting in Facebook. We all enjoy that. If you haven't done that yet, please feel free to do that. We would love to see what you're working on. All right, let's go ahead and do our devotion. This one is out of the By Still Waters. Nearer to each other. I led them with cords of human kindness, with ties of love. To them I was like one who lifts a little child to the cheek, and I bent down to feed them. Hosea 11:4. God has many attributes, but one facet of his character is love. Hosea 11:4 gives us a glimpse into his tender care for us when God speaks of leading his people with the cords of human kindness and his ties of love. This verse doesn't just refer to people in Bible times, but to us in our modern world. The Lord is reminding us that he is so completely in love with us and cares for us so dearly that he refers to himself as a parent lifting us up to his cheek so we can be nearer to him. Then he feeds us tenderly with his strong and loving hand. When life appears to be spinning out of control, our hearts long to know such comforting words, that God still loves us in spite of our sin, rebellion, and denial. Our spirits call out in welcoming laughter and joy to hear this good news. How can anyone turn away from such love? Lord, I am awed, humbled, and profoundly grateful that you loved me enough to send your son to die for me. I love you, Lord, with all my heart. Amen. Wow, that was just beautiful. I love that, and I sure loved bringing that to you guys. Well, that's really all that I have for this video. I'm going, like I said, do a tutorial on that, so be sure and look forward to that. And I'll show you the pattern that's going to be in the magazine, and I'll show you what I'm going to work up with that yarn, or the beginning process of it. There you go. All right, guys, that's all that I have for this video. Just remember to live life and to have fun, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.